Hello guys, today is my second tutorial of my everyday makeup series, and this makeup is basically it's a sort of pink and it's Kylie Jenner inspired makeup look. I will show you the picture from which I have taken the inspiration, and I have tried to make it a bit similar.
Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so whenever I post new videos you can get the notification.
Let's start the tutorial. I'm using this NYX Above and Beyond concealer, and I'll conceal my both eyes. All the circles that I have on my eyelid area, on my under eye. For my eyebrows, I have already done my eyebrows. If you don't know how I have done it, you can see my previous tutorial. I'm actually shaping my eyebrows first, because in Kylie Jenner, that pink look, that her eyebrows are very much prominent, so that's why I'm doing that step. I have already applied my foundation. Now with the help of a sponge, I will set everything. I have this mini soap pore finisher smoothing powder, and I'll set my lid area with it. This look is very easy. I'm using Morphe palette 35B, and two colors I will use. The first color that I will apply on my crease area is this, which is pink, and it's Bikini. I'm taking this my Body Shop blending brush, and I will just apply it on my crease first in a dabbing motion, and then I will blend it outward and inward. If you have a smaller brush, it will actually help you more, and you have to cover your whole crease. The same thing I'll do on my second eye. Both of my eyes, eyelid crease area, I have applied that color Bikini, and now I'm using this blending brush, which is by NYX Cosmetics, and I will blend everything upward and inward direction. And I will blend in a circular motion. If you pick your brush from the end, it will be easy for you to blend. Next step that I have to do, I will take again my concealer, and I'll take this small brush and I will clean this area. And instead of applying, or maybe you can apply any sort of highlighter if you have, but I prefer if you clean it, it looks more good, like she has done. So it was more like broader hair and lighter hair, smaller. And with the help of same brush, you have to blend it. Now this is clean, and you can see it's not clean. I'll do that. Now both of my eyes, they are looking clean. I'll take this shade, which is shimmery pink sort of, and this is called Lollipop, and with any flat brush or with your finger you can apply it on your lid area. Then the same eye shade that I have applied on my crease, I will apply under my area. I'll take this gel eyeliner, which is by Maybelline, and I'll apply a wing eyeliner. So first I will make a wing. and I'll end it here. I'll not cover my whole eye. So for checking if your both eyeliners they are equal, there is one way, like tilt your head and see. If you see the difference after tilting, then it means your both eyeliners are not equal on your both of your eyes, because your both eyes have different shape. So no matter how hard you think you have done, sometimes there is always, you know, mismatch. Another thing what I'm doing, I'm using this NYX Professional pencil, which is I think white pearl. Yeah, its name is white pearl, and I'll apply under my eye area. I'll tight line my eye, and then I'll curl my eyelashes. I'm using this Maybelline Rocket Volume mascara. And just doing these little ones.